The tool that I would like to demonstrate from Jennifer Gonzalez 2004 Cult of Pedagogy Top 8 EdTech Tools is Magic School. Magic School is an AI generator for all kinds of things that teachers, all kinds of paperwork that teachers have to do, all kinds of assessments that teachers have to make, all kinds of documents that we create. So it's very easy to log into. You go through Google and you just create a Magic School account with your Google sign in. I'm going to start by showing you this particular function, the text-dependent questions. You can choose the grade level. So I'm going to choose 11th grade, and I'm going to choose 5 questions. And I'm going to insert a poem. And this poem is by Emily Dickinson, Hope is the Thing with Feathers. And then for the question types, I could insert certain standards here, or I could copy the suggested ones: comprehension, literary devices, theme. And so I'll click generate. And this is what I see: exploring hope in poetry. So there are 5 text-dependent questions here. And if I decide that I want to save these, I could actually go to my output history, and it's saved there for me. I've created a few of these using this generator, and that's over here in my output history. But if I decided that I wanted to get rid of it, I could always delete it. But if I want to keep it, I go back to it, and I have all of these options. I could share it. I could export it into a Google form. I could print it. I could put it into a Google document. I could save the resource in my output history. So that's really nice to be able to create those text-dependent questions and not have to spend a whole lot of time putting thought into that. There's also the multiple choice assessment. You could change the grade level, the number of questions. Once again, you could put in a particular topic, which might be my poem. So we'll try that. Got my poem in there. And now I have multiple choice questions on this poem. And those multiple choice questions go with the topics that I put in: comprehension, theme, and literary devices. And once again, I have all of these options over here, what I would like to do with it, if I want to just save it, if I want to go ahead and export it to a Google form, if I want to print it, whatever I want to do. But I can always go to my output history, and all of the things that I've created with this particular generator are here. So going back to the magic tool, so the one that I showed you there, that was text-dependent questions. Then I also showed you the multiple choice assessment. And now I want to show you the text level. I'm going to take the same text that I used, the poem by Emily Dickinson, and I'm going to put it on a 3rd grade level, because now I'm teaching 3rd grade, not 11th grade anymore. So I'm going to put that poem in there, and I'm going to click generate, and it takes the poem and puts it on a much less complex level. All of the elements of poetry are there, but it's on a much easier level. So this would really work for students who are, say, in the 11th grade, but they're really, really struggling with complex text. Or even in the 12th grade, let's say you're doing Hamlet, for example. So if you wanted to put a soliloquy in there and level that text just to help students get the idea, that's something that you could do. There's also the chat box named Raina. She's an AI instructional coach, and you right down here you can type any message that you would like to send to her. So these are all of the different things, and I have played quite a lot with all of these different generators. There's all kinds of things: a rubric generator, a text rewriter, informational text that you can create for any topic that you're discussing in class. If you are a K to 2 teacher, you can create a decodable text based on the science of reading. You could put in whatever letters and sounds that you're studying, whatever word patterns you might want to see that the children have mastered or picked up. So there are just all kinds of things that you can use on Magic School. I have a Magic School Plus account, and you can see that it ends in 13 days, and I'll decide then if I want to upgrade it or not. Those of you who are special ed teachers, I think the IEP generator might be worth checking out. Once again, you could put the grade level in there. You can specify the disability, and you could put in the goals that your students want to reach, the certain behavior goals or academic goals, the needs that they have and their strengths. And all of these documents that you generate, of course, will need your fine tooth comb. You wouldn't want to just take them like they are. Read over them and see if there's any manipulating or any changing and editing that you need to do to them. But just imagine all the little things that this generator, this AI generator, could do for you to save you a little bit of time. And that's what we teachers are always wanting, is something that is going to save us a little bit of time. So try Magic School. I hope this has piqued your interest, and I hope you want to check it out a little bit more after this video.